Okay, hello. Today we're going to make some spiral art, and it's kind of an optical illusion art, also known as op art. So first we're going to start off. This is how we're going to start the design. You're going to make a frame around it, and then we're going to. Here, I'll just show really quick. You're going to make a frame around it, and then you're going to divide paper in half. I would use a ruler. I'm just doing this just to show you how I did it. You can divide it into quarters. Whoops, and then you could divide. You're going to make a vertical line, horizontal, like a pattern like this, vertical line, horizontal, okay? So that's just kind of like the fast way of doing it, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a bunch of rectangles, and they're gonna start tilting. So I'm kind of like turning it to the side, so it's almost like I'm kind of close together. So they're kind of becoming vertical. So see how I do that? So try to keep them close. Okay, so there's a series of rectangles that slowly get to the, again, and if you overlap a little, like it's okay if it runs into each other. And sometimes if it looks like here I left too much space, I just add some extra ones, okay? In case you make a mistake, it's fine. So they're slowly gonna tilt a little. And then as you get into the center, it's gonna get smaller. Okay, and now we always do the opposite. So I went that direction, so see I can even add an extra line here. Okay, then over here I'm gonna do it again. So I start off kind of towards the edge of my box, and I just slowly start bringing it in. Keep them close. Make sure they just keep, again, it's almost like you're making a bunch of rectangles that are kind of slowly become diagonal. Ooh, look at that. Again, if sometimes if you spread it out too much, you can always add another one. You can kind of, it's okay. You can kind of, I don't want to say cheat, but yeah, you can add an extra line if you need. Okay, and then we go to the center. And look at that. And what's really weird is we kind of it kind of got rounder even though we're making rectangles. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna add an extra one there. You always want to bring it in. It gets a little more diagonal as it further travels. So see, it tilts a little. So I got a little sloppy there, but it's okay. It happens. And then I can add extras if I feel like I need some more. It's okay if it gets a little sloppy. Okay, now I'm gonna go the opposite direction. So I always start my diagonals like this. Again, I'm gonna add a little extra there. And then again, I'm bringing it in. I mean, the straighter you are, the better. Just trying to keep it straight in one line. Oh, it's getting weird. Okay, and then over here, I'll go over here. Again, so again, I bring it up, I always keep it so it's slightly diagonal when they hit the walls of it. And I'm going very fast just for this video. You guys take your time. There. Okay, and then this side is going to tilt that direction. So again, when I say tilt, see, you're kind of making a series of rectangles that are slightly diagonal. Make the center gets a little smaller. Okay, add a couple extras there. Sometimes I feel like you need a couple of close-ups. All right, cool. Oh, it's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it's good to tilt the paper. You might have more control over it, especially the longer rectangle. Okay, so again. And again, you could use a Sharpie, a marker. If you wanted to use a pencil, you could do it. That's fine. If you're not sure, and you can trace over or so. Oh, it's starting to get crazy. This area looks really cool. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go this direction. Boom. All right, and then when you're done, you have some crazy, crazy spirals. Okay? All right, well, there you go. Enjoy.